Hello, this is Steve from the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is January 19th. This is a review and outlook for silver, and this is the daily chart for silver. In my charts for the last 2 weeks, I have had a rising expanding wedge in the silver chart, which is a negative pattern. In my last blog post that was posted 2 weeks ago, titled "The Road of Uncertainty is Silver and Gold's Best Friend," is where I last showed that silver chart online, at least. Here you can see it's resized for my website. I have the rising expanding wedge, and in my last sentence of my outlook I wrote, if uncertainty continues to grip the markets, silver could easily climb up inside the pattern, but it is a negative pattern, so it is expected to fall below and break its bottom trend line sometime in the future. As we can see, that hasn't happened, but after yesterday's move to the downside, it has definitely gotten closer to that bottom trend line. Yesterday's move was due mostly to the Chinese coming out and offering a 6-year deal to end the trade war to accept more U.S. Imports. And also there was some other things that came out in the financial news that said that basically traders are freaking out a little bit too much over the downside in the market. That all kind of calmed the market, took out some uncertainty, and the traders sold gold and silver and climbed back into the dollar and the broader stock market itself. And that's what caused the price of silver to fall. It's not all negative for silver, though. There is a positive falling expanding wedge, which is shown right there. Here it's label it. Now, the falling expanding wedge is a positive sign for silver. However, due to the way the MACD and the RSI are both cresting and falling, it looks like that might be the same pattern for silver, cresting and falling. So time will tell on that. Either way, the $15 to $14.90 level looks to be a good support level for silver. So if it does fall and break the rising expanding wedge, it does look like it will stop falling around the $15 level. Or it could come down to the $14.90 level, and then hopefully it'll bounce and turn around and start to test the falling expanding wedge. I use TradingView, just so you know. I use the free side of TradingView, basically because I'm broke right now, so I got to deal with pop-ups and stuff like that every once in a while. So anyways, for the outlook for silver is for it to crest, which it looks like it has. It looks like it may continue to fall by comparing the RSI and the MACD with the price, and but it should stop at the $15, $14.90 level and then bounce back up and start to test this upper trend line of the falling expanding wedge. And when it does either break one of these two patterns or create a new pattern, I will return with a new review and outlook for silver on video. So I thank you for your time. Take care and God bless.